Hey guys, welcome back to our channel TechTube. Today in this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can add to my list in Netflix. So I'll be teaching you a very easy step regarding this, and if you have any problem or any queries within the process, just let me know in the comment section right away. And now, without any further delay, let's just get started. So firstly, what you need to do is just go to your Netflix app or Netflix website and then log in with your account, and then what you need to do is you need to use the profile that you used to watch Netflix with, and then you'll be over here, and then from here just choose what you want to add to your list. So let's say I want to add this one, Stranger Things. Just do it again with another one.
In Matthew 9, verse 4, Jesus said,
Now check on your top, you have my list. Just go over here, and then you'll see my list like here. So that's pretty much, guys, that's how you do it. I hope this video is helpful for you guys. So thank you for watching our video, guys. If you like our video, please leave a like and do not forget to subscribe our channel, and also hit the bell icon so you never miss an update from us. If you have any queries, just let me know in the comment section right away, and I'll see you guys again in our next video. Till then, stay safe, guys. Thank you for watching.